In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cookies in Yahoo Mail. This process is essential for ensuring your browsing experience is seamless. Cookies help websites remember your preferences and login details. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and type in Yahoo in the search bar. You may see various search results, but it is crucial to select the official Yahoo website. By starting with a search, you ensure you are accessing the correct site, which is safe and secure. You will see a list of links displayed, so keep an eye out for the one that clearly indicates it is Yahoo. This step establishes the foundation for the rest of the process. Once you find it, click on the correct link to enter the Yahoo homepage. This action takes you directly to the site where you can manage your email settings. It is important to choose the right link to avoid phishing sites. You will now be on the Yahoo Mail interface, ready to adjust your cookie settings. This ensures that you are on the right platform for your email needs, setting you up for success. Now, if prompted, sign into your Yahoo account using your credentials. This step is necessary because accessing account settings requires you to be logged in. You will enter your email address and password. After entering your info, click the Sign In button. This step ensures that your changes will be applied to your specific account, maintaining your personalized experience, supporting you. After signing in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see 3 dots which represent more options. Click on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This step is crucial as it allows you to access the settings necessary for managing cookies. You will be taken to the Settings interface where you can make the changes needed for cookie management. Next, in the left menu sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. This section focuses on your security settings and how Yahoo handles your data. By selecting this, you will gain access to the cookie settings. This is important because it allows you to configure how your browser interacts with cookies, enhancing your online experience. Now you will see an option that says Third-Party Cookies or Cookies and Other Site Data. Select this option to manage your cookie preferences. This is an important step because third-party cookies can affect how well websites function, including Yahoo Mail. By accessing this section, you can ensure that your settings are optimized for the best performance. Here, choose Allow Third-Party Cookies to enable them, or select Block Third-Party Cookies in Incognito mode. This ensures that cookies will work normally during standard browsing. Making this choice is vital for maintaining a smooth experience while using Yahoo Mail. You can browse without interruptions, knowing that your settings are properly configured. Alternatively, scroll down to Customize Behaviors. Here, click Add next to Allowed to Use Cookies. You will then paste https://mail.yahoo.com into the field. This step is useful for granting specific permissions, ensuring that Yahoo Mail can function without any issues. It adds an extra layer of customization to your cookie settings. Once you have completed these steps, you can rest assured that your Yahoo Mail will work more efficiently. You will see a confirmation or notice indicating that your changes have been saved. Remember, enabling cookies is essential for a seamless browsing experience. Thank you for following along, and happy emailing.